Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I would like to make a tutorial about Microbit. In Microbit, I get a tool for chip and the cable. This is cable. Right. This is cable for Microbit. This cable and this cable for connector this chip. Okay, let's continue. I will name this project video tutorial. Right, and after that, uh, if we go to basic and show icon love, this icon love, and after that, uh, go to basic and drag and drop browsing is good evening and music. After that, drag and drop play melody, and you can custom this and this, okay, already done. Do that. I would like to download this. You can connect this, and after that, download. After that, download code. And this already like this. Good evening. Okay, maybe just that for my video tutorial about Microbit. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.